uDokotela uMkhatshwa utshele inkantolo ukuthi yonke imininingwane yeziguli yayiswe ezikhulwini zomnyango wezempilo. Uthi uma imininingwane yeziguli yalahleka yena akakwazi ukuthwala icala ngalokho.
I cannot account for what happened after documents were handed over to the Department of Health officials. Between leaving Life Esidimeni and reaching the destination NGO, that was totally out of my hands.
Ubuzwe ngemininingwane yeziguli eyayingaphelele ngesikhathi esiguziswa kwezinye izikhungo.
The discharge summary, my lady, has clinical information that is required to ensure continuity of care. If the receiving clinician has got some questions around the information received, it is their prerogative to require more detailed information from the clinician that referred.
Ubuzwe nangestatimende asenze izolo mayelana nemininingwane yeziguli.
Yesterday you made a statement that if the department could have come with resources, they would have made copies of the files. Do you remember saying so yesterday?
It is true, my lady.
Yes.
So does that mean that files were not handed over to the department, only offers were made?
Original files, medical records of the mental health care users were kept at Life Esidimeni. Life Esidimeni offered the department to come and make copies of the documents.
uDokotela Mkhatshwa uphendula ngesehlakalo sase-Esidimeni lapho kwashona khona iziguli eziyi144 ngesikhathi esasebenza kulesibhedlela. Izolo uMkhatshwa utshele inkantolo ukuthi akazange eseke isinqumo salo wayengamele ezempilo ngaleso sikhathi uqedani Mahlangu sokuyisa iziguli kwezinye izikhungo. Iningi lalezi ziguli zashona ngenxa yendlala kanye nokunganakekelwa. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.